All right. So I just wanted to make a quick video. This is going to be for a TRX 400EX frame gusset kit from Textural Tech. So they send you a nice, pretty full gusset kit, and it comes with these instructions. The pictures are pretty blurry, so it's hard to make out. And I was just trying to do a little research before I welded it in and couldn't find anything really on it. So I figured I would take a second and just go through it, just to show you an actual kit installed. So I'll just start up here at the 007. You get one of those, and that goes right here in the back. That's all that there is, and I just welded both sides. Then you got the 008. You got two of those. There's one right there. And you get another right in here. And you have the 009s. There's two of those as well. That goes in that crevasse right there. I just do one side on those. Then we have the 001 and 002. One is a little bit different in length, but they both come up here, up to like where your stem mounts. They come down here and it comes up, and there's a notch part for the tube, and then it's flat again. So all that I did was just weld it, tack it down in here, tack it up here. Then I had to bend it over and then bend it back up so it's not covering over this hole. But yeah, that's about as best as I could make out on their pictures. It's pretty blurry, so it's hard to tell exactly how it goes in there, but that's the best way I could get it to fit in. You just run them up the edge of this little mount right here. Then you have the 006. There's one of those that goes right in there. I welded that both sides as well. Yeah, here's the pictures for the 001 and 002. It's very hard to make out, so you can't really tell how it goes in. So, all right, that's in. So then we got 003s, and then I'll just go to the 004s and 005s. That is up in here. So, I mean, of course, they give you pictures and stuff, and it kind of shows you where everything goes, and gives you like the generals, but it's always good to see it in like real life. So you got your 005s, which go right in here. So you got both sides. Then your 004s, which are, I believe, the uppers. Yeah, the uppers, those go right here on your shock towers. And then 005s, you have a bunch of those. So this is your 003s. And it says if you can, stick it on the outside, as far over as you can. Just to give you more clearance if you're going to run a stabilizer. And then the rest are all these. These are all 005s. They give you like 8 of them. So you got, 4 right here in the front. I weld those both sides. Then you have 2 that go back here on these skid plate mounts. And that's it. That's the full kit. It also gives you locations that they recommend you weld. Like right down in here, it's left open from the factory. There's a couple more. I welded these ones right there. Those ones down there, and then it says to add some weld around the foot peg mounts, because there's really not much weld there. And then of course right here on this bottom linkage. But that's it. That's the full kit right there. Just wanted to run through it, make a quick video. But yeah, good luck, man. Hopefully all you guys' installs go good.